You open your laptop, type objective, and then stare at the blinking cursor for what feels like forever. Sound familiar? Writing your resume can feel like trying to squeeze your whole career into a single page. Stressful, right? But what if artificial intelligence could do it for you? Hi, I'm Cynthia, your digital guide to the world of AI. Today we're asking a question a lot of job seekers have right now. Can AI actually write your resume? Let's find out. AI tools like ChatGPT, Resi, or Resume.io can take your work history, skills, and career goals and transform them into a polished, professional-looking resume in minutes. It's like having a digital career coach who knows how to highlight your strengths and sprinkle in the right buzzwords that hiring managers love. Here's the catch. AI isn't magic. It only works if you give it the right ingredients. Things like job titles, achievements, and the kind of role you're aiming for. Think of it like cooking with a robot chef. The robot can prepare the meal, but you still choose the recipe. One-size-fits-all resumes? They usually end up ignored. But AI can help tailor your resume for each job application, tweaking keywords so your resume matches the job description. This is extra important because many companies use applicant tracking systems, more AI, to filter resumes before a human ever sees them. If your resume isn't tailored, it may never make it to the hiring manager's desk. So tell me, have you ever used AI to help with your resume or cover letter? Drop your thoughts in the comments and share your favorite tools with others. So, can AI write your resume? Yes, but only if you guide it. AI assists, you direct. Next up, we'll ask, can AI actually help you land the interview too? Hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss it.